of oi sound for very young learner. So we can see with this blue color that this is the lesson of a vowel sound. In the Jolly Phonics program, they have assigned red color to the consonants and blue color to the vowels. So we'll talk about the sound in the environment. Then there would be introduction of new sound with story and action, letter formation, sounding and jolly song. So let's revise all of the sounds from group 6.
Yogurt. Y. 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 X. X. Fox. X. 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 Ch. Ch. Chicken. Ch. 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 Sh. Sh. Hush. Shh. 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 This. Three.
साउंड्स की एक्चुअल प्रोडक्शन या एक्चुअल प्रोनाउंसिएशन जो है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है फर्दर ब्लेंडिंग और रीडिंग के लिए. आपका एक्सेंट, स्पोकन लैंग्वेज, हर चीज़ जो है वो इसी तरह से इम्प्रूव होती है. अच्छा, यहाँ पे ये चीज़ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि ग्रुप 6 की साउंड्स हैं जिसके अंदर य और क्स भी एडिड है. सो अगर आप चाहें तो, अगर आपको लगता है कि फिजिबल नहीं है डायग्राफ स्टेज पे करवाना, तो ये भी पॉसिबल है कि आप ग्रुप 6 की साउंड में से य और क्स साउंड जो है ग्रुप 5 के बाद करवाने के बाद आप बच्चों को स्टॉप कर दें और नेक्स्ट जो उनका सेशन होगा लेवल 2 उसके अंदर भी आप इनको साउंड्स को स्टार्ट करवा सकते हैं दोबारा से. तो इस तरह से आपके जो एक प्लानिंग होती है कुछ स्कूल में 26 लेटर्स वाली वो भी कंप्लीट हो जाती है और जॉली फोनिक्स से बच्चों को एक अच्छी नो हाउ भी हो जाती है, उनकी एक बड़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस बनना शुरू हो जाती है. सो इन द वोकैबुलरी बास्केट यू कैन लुक फॉर ऑय साउंड्स, कॉइन, फॉयल, ऑयल, मॉइस्चराइज़र, soil and embroidery. This is the sound of the day. You can talk about that these two letters are making one sound oi. One sound is gliding into the other one.
Oi. Oi. Oil. Oi. Oi. Oi.
In the story you can talk about the oil. Over here you can talk about the ships and you can talk about the children shouting and saying oi oi oil. So join your hands, point and boil are the vocabulary words for oi sound. Do the action, see the sound. Children cup their hand on their mouth saying oi oi oi. This is the letter formation. They join both o and e together. डायग्राफ के लिए ज्वाइनिंग हैंड राइटिंग बड़ी हेल्पफुल रहती है. दे कैन ऑल्सो सर्कल डायग्राफ इफ देयर इज नो स्कूल पॉलिसी ऑफ कर्सिव राइटिंग. Okay, finally, after introduction of the letter shape and the vocabulary, this is the time of joining letter with the picture. Boil and oil. In the sounding, you can talk about the sound in the beginning, middle or at the end. So you can talk about the turquoise sound is in the middle and oil sound is in the beginning. You don't have any example here at the moment with the sound at the end because it takes another wall rule, so we are not going to discuss this wall rule with the children at this level. Like boy is not having the same spelling system, so we will discuss in level 2. Nature, oil and soil. Story time about the oil. This is a wonderful story by Melvin Barrower, and you can talk about the oil spill and how it is damaging the natural creatures of sea animals. Activity time. You can talk about noise pollution, and they can also make some cards for the awareness of noise pollution. In the worksheet time, they practice writing in the formation, dots, color in the boiling picture, and trace on the line. This is the third sound of group 7, and after that only 3 more sounds are left. Things at home: oil, coin, foil, plastic foil and aluminum foil, toilet rolls, and soil. Basically, it's hard to find things starting with this sound, but if you are able to figure out the names in some other areas, communities, they can contact and write down and play this game with the children. Otherwise, they keep on talking about mixing the sound with other consonants. It's a tongue twister. Spoiled boy point to the oil rig and start moisturizing foil of his noisy friends. What else? Planting role play, pointers. Boing Boing is a story for the children. Exploring soils, they can talk about different colors and ingredients of the soil. Coin drawing, it's a wonderful activity. They can also count the coins available at home. In the vocabulary, they can talk about uh, the position of the sound, but this word bank is not for their reading or blending or dictation, it's only for the identification of the sound. The sound can come in the beginning just like oil and come in the middle just like spoil. Okay, now you can also look for more nursery rhymes so that you could play with the children.
Sailors met upon the sea. Oi, 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 oi. They found some oil way down deep. Oi, oi, ship ahoy.
Jolly Phonics poems and songs are helpful in expanding their linguistic expression, and children love these songs and nursery rhymes.
Sailor.
I suggest that teachers should keep on revising long and short vowel sounds and the sounds of group 6 and 7 while introducing all of the sounds, because at this time they need lots of repetition and reinforcement. So the diagram starts after introducing k sound, and they are all sound represented by two letters making one sound. Don't forget to taste fish oil or smell fish oil. When children use all of their senses like taste, smell, touch, hearing sense, when they use all of those five senses, then they actually feel that they are doing phonics instead of learning phonics.